Making It Bush changed my life, and after that I realised that it was worth studying human beings as a zoologist. So I read a book called Man Watching, in which I introduced it.
That match, I thought they played brilliantly, and we were off our game that day, but I think it was a nice reminder leading into a tough series against Australia.
Well, Australia, the one-day side particularly, seemed to be relatively limited as a side. England's batting, though, was particularly impressive yesterday. But how
The novelist and publisher Tariq Goddard meets the musician Brett Anderson.
My experience of being a child is sort of sitting in a room, sort of thinking about things. And what shall I do now to kind of ease the boredom? Oh, I'll try and learn a few chords on the guitar.
Everything was happening in that room.
Of course.
Only boring people are bored is the only cliche I have above my desk.
If you don't find anything interesting in that,
then you're doomed.
Yes.
Only Artists. This morning at 9 on BBC Radio 4.
And a quick look at the weather. A band of increasingly light patchy rain